How to wash your hair Vanlife style.
Okay, rinsey rinse.
You ready? Takes two to beat this beast.
This African lion mane.
Come closer to the van.
This is nice and warm. From our shower bag. I got soap in my eye here. What happened to you?
Well, the door hinges, the lock broke, and we couldn't get the door open. Finally got the door open, but these things are just so dirty.
From
I think they need to be adjusted as well. So, yeah, but can't lock the door, which is kind of concerning. It was so nice just to hang out with friends on a beautiful beach, relaxing and absolutely doing nothing. What a life. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
We are leaving. I don't even know where we are. We've been here for like 9 or 10 days.
Yeah.
Enjoyed the party.
It's the longest we've ever stayed anywhere ever.
But we're gonna head across to Todos
Santos.
But we gotta do groceries, laundry, a few other chores in town. So yeah, here we go. This has been great though. Great place. Where are we?
We're I don't beach town in La Paz. It's
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Or Tecote or something.
Yeah, Tecote.
Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway. The drive back into La Paz was just as beautiful as it was coming out. La Paz's Malecon.
Very clean and very nice.
It's a nice city. It's big. I'm not used to driving in big cities, but not that it's a big city.
This lady's just gonna go now, so
Yeah.
she wouldn't want to hurry up or anything.
No. She's on Mexico time.
Yeah.
You'll get over it, lady. Well, after almost 2 months, we finally found butane for our stove.
We haven't run out, but we just been getting low.
And it was just nice to find some finally. So now we know which stores to look for. So that's good. I'm addicted to 4x4 E350s. Hell yeah. My least favorite thing to do, good old Walmart. So just leaving the mighty Walmart, stocked up on
Everything we needed.
a lot of food, 268 Canadian dollars.
Would have been 400 at home.
You got everything you need,
And more.
and especially beers. So yeah, first time we've been in busy Mexico.
It's crazy. People are crazy around here.
Todos Santos. Not sure how big this place is.
It's cute. I like it.
I don't think it's very big, but it looks like it's gonna be a nice little place. We got a spot picked out on the beach. We're just gonna go. Look. Apparently there's a solar shop here. I've been looking for a solar shop to get a new panel because one of mine has kind of crapped out on us.
Yikes.
Crazy to be in a place that has sunshine basically year round. There aren't more solar shops to source out. And not to mention that it'll be the first time we'll see the Pacific Ocean since we've been in Mexico. We've been spending our whole time on the Sea of Cortez side, which has been amazing. There's a cool Volkswagen. that was just a grocery store, everything store, but
We had lots of things we didn't
yeah,
before, so it worked out great actually.
yeah, we got a few vegetables we couldn't get at the last
Fresh
spot.
tortilla.
And now we did find the solar shop, but it is closed today for some reason. So
tomorrow.
on to
Titties.
Laundromat. That's what it's called.
It's probably called titties.
And we finally make it to the beach. This spot wasn't the greatest that we've come across, but it was actually so nice to be back at the Pacific and just hearing that surf pound the shore. And we were able to see some whales way out there as well. It was decent. We're just gonna make a quick trip into town to get our laundry. $240 for all this nice folded clean laundry. Good job, titties. We spent 2 or 3 days here just being complete beach bums, lazing around, enjoying life, watching the ocean. Join us in the next video as we make our way down to Cabo San Lucas. See you then.